During a meeting convened by the Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi District on the 14th of December 2023, the Northeast Petroleum and Mazdoor Union deliberated on the fuel supply situation in Meghalaya. Representatives from the Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum and Hindustan Petroleum, along with officials from the Supply Department of the Meghalaya government, members of various petrol dealerships and other stakeholders were in attendance. Speaking to reporters, Additional Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi District, Peter Pasa, stated that the discussions concluded positively with the Mazdoor Union, assuring the immediate supply of fuel to all dealerships in the state of Meghalaya.
Stakeholders, members of the union, retail outlet association of Meghalaya, representative of IOC, but baroki officers naga supply macam dalang ni ba tongper EDC supply jang di Bhoi. Di outcome jang ni meeting kalau ba sotanat hadin bangila ekran like pisngau jing jang pet ba bat kumju ro hadin bangila pisngau jing jang ki hadin mala ya yo banyak pisngau lang na barok kini stakeholders ke badan jingila ya yo ya kecing ya outcome ke bas sotanat hasba ki members jang ke union ki ong bakin sa palai no yang penyang hadin akanta hadin lakut kini ke meeting mentah kini kualiti ba hadin akanta kini ke truck jang ikula ready ban load kini siap ban load no ban sa mi kini ke penyang siki district jang ma ko ka is but kajian ja bolak ko kini dawa jang ki kung city ke kendai tarik cuma tahu benai sedang ba ban palai bil no itu kisawat henrengi ni nak pensai ba kene kendai yang disimpan juni is beyond our jurisdiction tinggal request roiki ba alat ye ke code mo ban lek ban kam nam bangin lap sisa ke barang keti nam ban lap ban rat tengkong ye kene jing mo jing snew ni ke illegal activities ke bala jala bon snap